Hello everyone, Baruch here. I'm super excited to invite you to a very unique workshop I'll be holding this summer. It's called the Summer Immersion for Creatives. This 3-day experience is designed for creatives from all walks of life, whether you are an artist, a writer, a musician, producer, director, whether you're a professional or a beginner looking to embark on a whole new path. In this 3-day experience, which we held in one of the most beautiful locations on this planet, Mount Shasta, which you can see right behind me. And we'll be spending 3 days outdoors doing different exercises, different modalities and activations that all designed to bring about your most amazing abilities and your creativity. The dates of the workshop are August 8th through August 10th, Friday through Sunday. Space is very limited, so I suggest you check out the information in the description box here. And if you're interested, you can sign up, and look forward to see you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.